Muscle loss is happening to seniors without this one food. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing you can't get out of bed without someone's help. For millions of older adults, this is no longer a distant possibility, but a painful reality caused by a silent epidemic that's stealing their independence: age-related muscle loss. In just the few minutes it takes you to watch this video, nearly 40 seniors will be hospitalized due to a condition that is completely preventable. Nursing homes are overcrowded, families are being pushed into crisis, and the scariest part? Most people don't even realize what's happening until it's too late. But what if I told you there's a way to slow down or even reverse this muscle loss? A study from Harvard Medical School discovered that certain familiar foods contain special compounds capable of reactivating muscle regeneration, even in people in their 70s or 80s. And the most surprising part, some of the foods on today's list might not even be in your kitchen right now. Yet in clinical trials, they outperformed prescription medication. In fact, 5 out of the 8 foods have shown more noticeable results than medication, helping to restore muscle mass that many doctors still believe is permanently lost. One specific food even stopped muscle loss in 9 out of 10 people in just 6 weeks. Before we begin, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Nourish and Flourish so you won't miss more science-backed, life-changing health videos like this one. Now, let's explore 8 powerful foods that help protect your muscle mass after age 60. Number 7 will surprise you. Let's get started. Number 1. Greek yogurt. Compared to regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is an excellent choice for older adults who need to maintain muscle mass. The protein content in this type of yogurt is doubled thanks to a straining process that removes excess liquid, resulting in a more concentrated nutrient profile. A 6-ounce serving, approximately 170 grams, contains around 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, a key factor for preserving muscle mass. Greek yogurt is rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting type that steadily provides amino acids to the muscles over several hours. This benefit is especially suited to older individuals. It becomes even more effective when consumed before bedtime, as it helps reduce muscle breakdown during the overnight fasting period, a time when muscle loss typically increases. Additionally, Greek yogurt is high in calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, essential minerals not only for maintaining strong bones, but also for ensuring proper muscle function. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health, an area science is increasingly showing to be important for nutrient absorption and inflammation regulation, both of which play crucial roles in muscle preservation. Choose plain Greek yogurt for the best results. Avoid pre-flavored varieties, as they often contain too much sugar. Instead, opt for full-fat, unsweetened versions and add your own flavor using berries, nuts, or a bit of honey. It is recommended to include Greek yogurt in your diet 3 to 4 times per week, especially as an evening snack. Notable study. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association showed that older adults who used whey protein experienced significant improvements in muscle strength, mobility, and balance, even without participating in exercise. When combined with resistance training, these benefits increased significantly. Number 2. Whey protein. Whey protein is considered the most effective food to address age-related muscle loss in older adults. This protein is derived from milk and contains the highest leucine content of any natural food. Leucine is an essential amino acid that plays a direct role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis, even in aging muscle tissue that has become less responsive to growth signals. Whey is especially beneficial for seniors due to its extremely fast digestion and absorption, which rapidly increases amino acid levels in the blood, an important factor in counteracting anabolic resistance, a common issue in aging muscles. Notable study. A study from McMaster University showed that older adults who consumed whey protein were able to maintain muscle mass 40% more effectively than those who consumed the same amount of protein from regular food sources. In addition to protein, whey also contains bioactive peptides that enhance blood flow to the muscles, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation, all key factors in preserving muscle as we age. Furthermore, the cysteine in whey supports antioxidant production, helping prevent oxidative damage, a process that accelerates with age. Additional study. Another important study published in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association showed that older adults who used whey protein experienced significant improvements in muscle strength, mobility, and balance even without exercise. When combined with resistance training, these benefits increased substantially. Recommendation. For optimal effectiveness, consume 20 to 30 grams of whey protein per day, preferably within 30 minutes after physical activity. Choose whey isolate or concentrate that is minimally processed and free from added sugars or artificial ingredients. If you're sensitive to dairy, hydrolyzed whey may be easier to digest. You can mix whey with water, milk, or blend it into a smoothie with berries and other ingredients to create a complete meal that protects muscle mass. Number 3. Lean beef, low-fat beef. There is no combination of high-quality protein essential nutrients than what is found in lean beef, especially important for preserving mass in older adults. A 4-ounce serve, approximately 113 grams, of beef contains 5 grams of complete protein. This type of protein has an amino acid that is particularly suited to the of human muscle tissue. The importance of beef for seniors lies in its leucine content. Leucine is an amino acid capable of directing the motor pathway, a key pathway muscle protein synthesis. Older adults need to consume more leucine to achieve the same muscle-building effects as younger individuals, as their muscles respond less efficiently to growth signals. Beef contains one of the highest levels of leucine among all available food sources. Benefit. In addition to being a source of protein, beef provides creatine, a compound that volume and energy storage. While the ability to produce enough creatine is common in young people, its capacity declines with age, meaning foods become more important. Beef offers high bioavailability of zinc and B vitamins, all of which are necessary for energy and transporting oxygen to the study conducted by McMaster University that older adults who consumed lean red showed significantly greater increases in muscle strength when combined with resistance compared to a group consuming the same amount of protein from plant-based. If you want to maintain muscle mass without compromising heart health, choose lean cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, or limit intake to 2 to 3 meals per week. Serving should be 4 to 6 ounces, 113 to 170 grams. Grass-fed beef offers added benefits due to healthier fat composition, including of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fats. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardine offer a superior nutritional combination to maintain muscle mass, an essential for older adults. The most important component is the omega-3 acids they contain, particularly EPA and DHA, which have been shown in trials to reduce inflammation, a key factor that contributes to the degradation of muscle in aging bodies. 4-ounce serving of salmon, around 113 grams, it's approximately 20 grams of complete, containing all the essential amino acids needed for the maintenance and repair of muscle tissue. The omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish increase sensitivity of muscles to protein. The protein you consume becomes more effective in stimulating muscle growth. This is a crucial factor for older adults as muscles respond less efficiently to signals. Bodies tend to absorb and respond less to the benefits of protein as they, according to research published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Older individuals who ate fatty fish twice a week experienced significantly less muscle over a 3-year period compared to those who consumed fish only occasionally. Considering that many seniors are deficient in vitamin D, the vitamin D found in these fish is even more important. Vitamin D improves muscle and strength, consuming fatty fish at least twice per week. Wild-caught varieties when deliver optimal results. Preparing fish is too difficult. Regular supplementation with high-quality fish oil can be beneficial. Number 5. Eggs. When it comes to maintaining muscle mass in older adults, eggs are often considered one of the most versatile and cost-effective foods. Many people focus only on egg whites, but the whole egg provides a nearly ideal combination of nutrients, especially beneficial for aging muscles. According to the biological value scale, the protein in eggs scores highly, indicating that your body can efficiently utilize this protein to preserve muscle. A large egg contains a complete amount of protein, including leucine, an amino acid that directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis. This is particularly important for older adults whose muscles are less responsive to growth signals. Notably, the egg yolk contains about half of this protein, along with other essential nutrients such as choline, vitamin D, and leucine. Study. A recent study from the University of Illinois found that consuming whole eggs after exercise triggered a 40% greater muscle-building response than egg whites alone. This result is especially meaningful for older individuals, as the fats in egg yolks may help overcome age-related barriers to muscle growth. Clarification on cholesterol concerns. In the past, many seniors avoided eggs due to concerns about cholesterol. However, these concerns have largely been debunked. Recent research shows that consuming eggs in moderation, up to 7 eggs per week, typically does not increase the risk of heart disease and may even help lower cholesterol levels. Recommendation: incorporate 1 to 2 eggs daily into your diet, especially at breakfast, a time when protein intake is often low. Hard-boiled eggs are also a convenient snack that requires no preparation, making them ideal for older adults with limited energy or cooking ability. Number 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds offer a powerful combination of plant-based protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients that help maintain muscle mass in older adults. While they do not contain as much protein as animal sources, their unique nutritional profile provides significant benefits for muscle preservation. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds are particularly beneficial. A 1/4 cup of almonds provides about 6 grams of protein and magnesium, an important mineral often deficient in older adults, which plays a key role in muscle contraction and energy production. Magnesium deficiency is associated with faster muscle loss and more frequent cramping. Walnuts are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that helps reduce chronic inflammation, a factor that can lead to muscle breakdown. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of zinc, which supports the production of testosterone, a hormone that decreases with age but remains crucial for maintaining muscle, even in older adults. Additional benefits: vitamin E, found in most nuts and seeds, acts as a powerful antioxidant, shielding muscle cell membranes from oxidative damage related to aging. Research from Tufts University shows that older adults with higher levels of vitamin E in their blood experienced significantly less muscle loss. Recommendation: to effectively preserve muscle, consume 1 to 2 ounces, equivalent to 28 to 56 grams, of nuts and seeds regularly. Divide mixed nuts into small portions in separate containers to avoid overeating, as they are relatively high in calories. Choose unsalted varieties, especially if you have high blood pressure or issues with fluid retention. Number 7. Berries. Berries come in at number 7. Although they may not seem directly related to muscle protection at first glance, the high antioxidant content of these foods plays an important role in safeguarding aging muscle tissue. As we age, muscles become more vulnerable to oxidative stress, a factor that contributes to muscle degeneration and makes recovery more difficult. Anthocyanins and other polyphenols found in blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries protect muscle cell membranes and mitochondria, the energy producers inside muscle cells, from damage. These polyphenols are capable of fighting free radicals and preventing tissue damage. Study. Findings from a study at Tufts University showed that consuming blueberries, in particular, improved the physical performance and muscle recovery of older adults. Additionally, berries influence signaling molecules known as cytokines, which help manage inflammation-related issues. While acute inflammation is necessary for muscle adaptation and development, chronic inflammation, characteristic of aging, significantly accelerates muscle breakdown. Recommendation: dried berries or berry-based snacks, thanks to their natural sweetness, make a great alternative to less healthy desserts. Number 8. Olive oil. Olive oil, especially the extra virgin variety, contains unique compounds that directly influence the mechanisms behind age-related muscle loss. While it is not a source of protein, its anti-inflammatory properties make olive oil an essential part of a muscle-protecting diet for older adults. Oleocanthal, a compound in olive oil, acts similarly to ibuprofen, helping to reduce chronic low-grade inflammation, a factor that promotes muscle breakdown in aging bodies. Research from Louisiana University found that oleocanthal specifically inhibits enzymes involved in muscle protein degradation. In addition, olive oil enhances insulin sensitivity, which is especially important because insulin resistance, common in older adults, interferes with the muscle's ability to use protein efficiently. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil also support the production of hormones, including testosterone and growth hormone, both of which decline with age but remain crucial for maintaining muscle mass. Additional study. A study from the Predimed Project showed that older adults who included olive oil daily as part of a Mediterranean diet had significantly better muscle strength and lower rates of frailty over a 5-year period compared to those on low-fat diets. Recommendation: for optimal benefits, consume 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily. Use it in salad dressings, drizzle it over cooked vegetables, or use it at low temperatures for cooking. Store olive oil in a dark bottle away from heat to preserve its beneficial properties. Check the harvest date on the bottle to ensure freshness. Conclusion: these are the top 8 foods to help you maintain and even rebuild muscle mass after the age of 60. Remember, muscle isn't just about appearance, it's the key to independence, balance, better metabolism, and a healthier, more fulfilling life as you age. By incorporating these powerful foods into your daily diet, you're not just slowing down muscle degeneration, you're actively rewriting your own health future. Now it's your turn. Which of these foods have you already tried? Have you noticed improvements in strength, energy, or mobility? Share your story in the comments below. We're always here to listen and support you. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Nourish and Flourish channel, and turn on notifications to keep discovering simple, science-backed ways to live healthier, starting with the smallest things. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.